So I'm gonna make tonight my crispy tortilla pizza and saving salad, okay?
Oh.
Pizza and salad, who doesn't love a good pizza
I love
salad?
pizza and salad.
Katie, I need you to kind of chop that iceberg, right? Which I think is the...
I love iceberg.
It is like the most underrated vegetable in the vegetable kingdom.
I love iceberg lettuce.
Yeah.
And Katie told me a little tidbit here about...
Everybody
so-
thinks that there's no health value in iceberg lettuce. I had to investigate because I like it so much. It actually has vitamin K.
What is that? No idea.
Which is hard to find, apparently. And it has lecithin, which helps fight cellulite.
I think it's 93% water,
so
from what they
juicy.
say.
I just want the crunch. I love the crunch.
Great with the creamy dressing. So we got some blue cheese dressings, we got some tomatoes, so just throw all that in there. I'll get to that in a second, but let's start with this tortilla. Store-bought, very inexpensive and affordable. Flour tortilla. I put a little olive oil in a non-stick skillet.
You can use
over
corn.
about. You can use corn oil,
Gluten-free.
whatever, but I've used a very, very little amount. But what this is gonna do is start frying this, right? To create
No.
that crispy bottom, like almost tavern-style pizza crust that I love.
Oh, boy.
Next comes our tomatoes. Thinly sliced beefsteak tomatoes. We're gonna put a couple of those, and we're gonna build this in the hot pan.
No,
I got
I
my
wanna know
broiler
something,
going.
Jeff.
This is not only cheap, but it's quick.
Is this
Yes.
like a slender Chicago-style pizza in the pan?
Well, no, this is like a tavern-style Chicago crust, thin crust pizza, the pizza that real Chicagoans eat. We eat the deep dish stuff once a year.
I want to know
Good to
something.
know.
Is this one pizza for 4 people?
No, this recipe actually makes 4 pizzas.
Oh, that's
So this is
Okay,
just
okay.
for me.
Beautiful.
You guys can all go have a granola bar
All right,
in the
I
back.
feel better now because
All right,
I
me
need that
too.
whole pizza to myself.
So I just added some caramelized onions. We did them low and slow on the stove top, right? Just don't disturb them. Don't stir them too much. Don't salt them. Let those sugars develop. Next come the cheese.
What kind of cheese?
We got whole milk mozzarella from the block,
Oh,
which
I
is
like
more
that.
affordable, that we grated ourselves. No anti-caking agents, and we're going to the edge.
Oh, you're doing a
so
little Chicago.
all that cheese drips down and creates even more pleasurable, crispy, lacy, crackery cheese crust.
That's the best bite.
I love that.
And you could throw all that in there too.
Oh,
So
okay.
we just got some fresh tomatoes from the ends of the sliced tomatoes and some crispy bacon.
That's
Or
a
you could
really
throw-
good save, the tomato scraps.
Exactly.
And
Put
this
it in your
feels like
salad.
a pizzeria salad. The
Yeah.
iceberg, it's what you get. You might even put it on your pizza.
And you need that creamy
Can I dress
dressing too.
this? Can I put a little?
Yeah, go ahead, dress it. That's just a good blue cheese dressing. And you can use
Ooh.
spicy or sweet Italian sausage. This is a nice combo. I like the both. But again, one link is enough for 4 pizzas with this. Now it's going in the broiler,
Oh, boy.
Oh, wow.
all right, where it's gonna hit the top of that, make it all gooey. So I've had one broiling for a couple minutes in the bottom here. And since we started it in the pan, we got a crispy crust and perfectly bubbly golden brown top
Beautiful.
with a pizza, because we use that nonstick. Look at that. Slides right out. Do you
Wow,
see
that was so easy.
Wow.
Beautiful.
Look at the bottom.
that?
Can you see the bottom?
Gorge.
that? Let me see
Get a
that.
shot of the bottom. That's beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. You see that?
That is joyous.
That's because we
Oh,
started
yeah.
a little bit of oil in the bottom pan right there.
And that cheese.
And that cheese all the way around. You see the lacy
That's
edge of that?
good stuff.
That's what the kids want these days, right? I don't know if they want omelets. All right. Katie, it is time, right? And this is an individual pizza for one. So I'm gonna cut it in quarters.
By the way, you know what I might do with this? I might put the iceberg in the freezer and do an icy cold lettuce
Look at
salad.
you, I love it.
Oh, gosh.
Thank you, Kate.
Nothing like
Hold my
brisket.
salad bowl.
This is a 1 portion for me. It's my truff salad.
The salad? Yeah.
Rough.
Nobody's going hungry here at the dinner table tonight. And you get your veggies and your protein
That's
and your
beautiful.
calcium.
Jeff, what does this cost?
This, I don't know. We're about to find out. Let me plate you one, Sir Jeffrey.
I absolutely love the sausage on there. I love the textures. I love the juiciness of the iceberg. And then we go to the richness of the cheese. It's hot and cold. Sort of like a fancy French restaurant. A little chaud froid, hot, cold thing going on.
Hold on.